Oh shoot, don't fall in the water. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we are going to be reviewing this DRC RC boat. This is their TX766. I'm going to be ripping this here in the river. At the end of the video, I will be doing a little unboxing and showing you everything that came in the box and inside the boat itself, and how to hook the battery up. But that's what it looks like inside. I'll show you more of that at the end of the video. I just got to plug the battery in. It does come with a 3S battery and a charger. That is plugged in. Let's turn this controller on. This water is really swift. Ooh, here we go. And I have the, you can turn this up and down. Huh. I don't know if it's faster than the other one or not, but man, it turns sharp. Huh. That looks crazy. This one's different than the other one. You know, I don't know how fast it goes. I'll have to throw here on the screen how fast this thing goes. But man, it turns. Like, see? See what happens if I go in reverse. Oh, it does go in reverse. Oh, hang on. There we go. Want to try it? This thing handles so good, really good. You gotta let off and then hit it. I think the rough water is messing it up a little. I bet you it'll go way over there. Oh! Oh! Just running into the boat. All right. Woo! Yeah, definitely turns sharp. But then when the front end goes in, it's like a submarine. It's a lot different than an RC car, huh? No, I think we're good. All right, I don't know what to say other than it's fast.
That little prop is the only thing that makes it go.
Yeah, that little prop right down there, that little prop. That's about it. You guys seen it. This thing definitely does rip, and if it does go under the water, it does come back up. Because once in a while that tip will go right down in, and then the prop's still spinning, so it shoots it way down in the water, and just let off your throttle. Eventually it pops back out. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little RC boat. I think any young boy, young girl, maybe even some adults would have a really good time playing with this thing. And the thing that steers on the back, I think that's metal. You'll see here at the end, it does come with a whole nother prop. Really fun little RC boat. Want to continue watching, I'll show you what comes in the box. But if not, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. All right, this is everything that came in the box with the TX766, the remote control boat by DRC. It's kind of some of the stuff it does say on the box here. Mid-mounted motor, high-speed thrills, brushless motor, capsize recovery, 14 ages plus. And then this is what come in the box. You do get a 3S battery with it. This plug right here is going to be for charging. This plug right here is going to be to plug into the boat itself. You get the manual. Get quite a nice little controller here. This is going to take 4 AA batteries. Nice little foam on the, this is how you're going to steer it. This is going to go forward and backward. You got the power button. Then you do have trim for the rudder. This is to turn up the speed all the way up or all the way down. And this is going to adjust your steering so you can steer fully, or you can turn it down so you don't steer as much. And then this will bind the boat, but I don't think we're going to need to touch them. We will see. You get a charger for that 3S battery, and you get this little screwdriver here. This is the boat itself. You do have to put this little tiny nose cone on, so we'll slide that over that. It comes with this little screw. You can screw that in with probably the screwdriver it came with. Okay, there you go. Then it does come with this little piece you can put together just to, you can sit your boat like that on a table when you're done playing with it out in the water. And then these 4 little clips here, you just flip them to the side like that. You can take that off. This is the motor right here. The shaft for the prop, which is here in the center. Then you got the rudder. It's like a little metal rudder actually. Right here's where the battery's going to go. I don't think I'm going to plug it in yet until I'm ready to go. Going to undo these Velcro straps and put this in place. We can plug that in when you're ready to go. It does come with an extra little prop and a little screwdriver and an Allen. And that's about it. And this just kind of goes back on the top. You clip these over. If you do end up getting a little water in there, there is a little drain plug here. It is normal to get a little water inside there. You can pull that drain plug out and help drain all the water out after you're done playing with it. And that's everything that came with this little RC boat. If you got to the end of this video, you guys are awesome. Thank you very much. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and stay awesome, people.